Ogechi started her career as a flight attendant early this year. Becoming a flight attendant has been Ogechi's dream years back. So in my video today, Ogechi tells us about how she was able to actualize her dream and the steps and process in which she took in actualizing her dream. She recently contested in the Miss Aviation 2022 and she was in the top 5. Here is Ogechi Mesireye, a cabin crew for Green Africa. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Yetunde Adeyemi and I'm a senior cabin crew member. So on my channel, I like to encourage those who are looking forward to becoming a cabin crew, and I like people to tell their stories of how they became a cabin crew. So I have with me Ogechi. So she started her career as a cabin crew last year, right? Or is it this year?
Early this year.
Early this year, yes. You know, but obviously the process started last year.
In fact, years back.
So I want her to talk about her journey so that it can serve as an inspiration to others. So first of all, Ogechi, what led you to become a cabin crew?
Okay, so for me, my cabin crew journey started years back. It's always been a dream to come into the aviation space, and then I also know I wanted to become a cabin crew. It was just a thought. Somewhere along the line, my mom was like, "Okay, this would actually fit. I think it's something you should do." I was like, do I even know anybody said? Maybe I would just try. Then I wasn't in Lagos.
Okay.
So after service, I came to Lagos and I started hunting everywhere. But prior to when I came to Lagos, though, I've been doing all my research online. I've been seeing airlines and how to submit applications. So I was doing random submission of CV online. But because, excuse me,
Sorry,
I wasn't licensed then, I've not gone for any training. I wasn't so sure. I was just submitting out of ignorance and excitement at the same time.
Okay.
And so I came to Lagos. The first step I took was I walked into an office where I was told I could get steps on how to go about training and all of that. They told me all the processes and everything, but then I didn't have the money. So I came back and I did other things, submitted CVs to other places outside the aviation space just so I can raise money for my training. And let's fast forward to now. The current airline I'm with now, I submitted my CV. The first time I submitted my CV was in 2019. That was a long I know, right? That was a long time ago. I just submitted, and of course, I started doing other things. I was working with other companies outside the aviation space. And then when it started looking like something could actually come out from there, especially when I left my previous working place, which is outside aviation, I started pursuing it harder. And well, to cut the long story short, this year I got licensed.
Okay, what I want to understand, because some people always ask me on my channel, like in Nigeria, because obviously when you want to work in the Middle East airlines will train you, but we're talking about Nigeria especially. Do you have to be a license, as in you have to have gone to an aviation school and gotten your cabin crew license before you can get, was that what happened to you?
Okay, so I'll use my own story to answer this question. Before I came in at all, I always thought I had to have a license. I'm a cabin crew today, but then the airline I'm working with actually trained me. So I got lucky. It's just a few of us out there that just get lucky. But on a norm, to make it easier for you, let me put it that way. To make it easier for you, it is better you go for the training and get your license. So when you apply, it's just easy to say, okay, she's already a licensed, so let's just take her in and train her.
Okay.
Because there was a time I had interest in one airline like that. And what I was told, the first thing I was told, do you have a license? And I said no. Go and get a license. come back and he will take you. So it's easy when you have a license. But then I'm not saying
It's
it's
a formula.
it's just easier when you have a license. So, yeah.
Oh, okay. So, with other things, I knew you were into another field before you
Yes,
came
I
into
was.
aviation. So, what can you say? Do you, first of all, do you prefer aviation to other fields?
Oh yes. Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
my first love, career wise. It's my first love.
Okay. So, what do you have to say to people that are aspiring to become a cabin crew?
Okay, so if you want it, go for it. Would it come easy? No, it wouldn't come easy. So just keep pushing and keep going, knowing that you will get there, regardless of what anyone tells you. You're not too short to be a cabin crew, you're not too tall to be a cabin crew, you're not too beautiful or too ugly to be a cabin crew, you're just enough to be a cabin
Cabin
crew.
crew.
So just believe in yourself and go for it.
Yes, thank you. I know you have gained something for my channel today. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and see you next time.
Thank you for having me.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye.